The check engine light came on, so I began diagnosing the issue. After connecting a scan tool, I retrieved two codes, P1603, engine stall history, and P1605, rough idling. These codes indicated potential problems with the engine's ability to idle smoothly and maintain operation. To gather more information, I used the scan tool to monitor live data while the engine was idling. During the test, I observed that the engine was misfiring, confirming that it was not idling properly. My next step was to perform a visual inspection of the engine intake air duct to check for any obvious issues, such as cracks, blockages, or disconnected components. Everything appeared to be in good condition. Next, I inspected the throttle body, as it plays a crucial role in controlling airflow to the engine, especially at idle. Upon inspection, I found that the throttle body was heavily clogged with carbon deposits. This buildup can restrict airflow, interfere with the throttle's ability to open and close properly, and cause issues such as rough idling, stalling, or poor engine performance. Based on these findings, I determined that the throttle body was beyond cleaning and required replacement. I replaced the faulty throttle body with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes from the system and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated smoothly, the engine idled properly, and the check engine light stayed off. No fault codes returned. This repair highlights the importance of maintaining a clean and functional throttle body. Over time, carbon deposits naturally accumulate, particularly in vehicles with higher mileage or those frequently driven in stop-and-go traffic. Regular inspections and maintenance of the throttle body can prevent these issues, ensuring smooth engine operation and avoiding more costly repairs in the future. By addressing the root cause of the problem, I was able to restore the vehicle to optimal performance.